Hey guys, 1 month of 2024 is done. It's just like the other day 2024 it started, but we are already finished our Jan month and we are starting the Feb of 2024 really very soon. So let's get started with the planning for our second month. Now if you're planning with me, make sure to get all your stationery, your planner and anything that you need. Now this planning journey is not specific to my planner. It holds good for any other planner that you have, unless and until there is some specific prompts in your planner. But I think any planner that you have can work well with this video. So make sure that you get your planners and your stationery with you, sticker books, pens, whatever you need. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Smita and you're watching my channel Living in Bengaluru, where I make videos on planning, food, reviews and anything about Bangalore. So if you do like watching such content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and bell icon right next to it, so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. And with this we will start with today's video, that is planning for the month of February. Before we plan for the month of February, we do review our January month. If you haven't bought a planner yet or you're planning to buy the second planner, my planner is still available on Amazon and our website evaoramia.com, and it's on sale currently, so very few copies, and the sale is valid till stock exists. Currently the MRP is 1299, but the sale price is just 499 rupees. So make sure to grab yours very soon before it runs out of stock. Now before we go and plan for the month of February, I always like to review my Jan. This time somehow I was traveling to and fro from here to Sakleshpur, where we have bought a new farmland. So I haven't written the happy moments, but I do know what I have to write here. So I will write all this down, as well as before I start writing the review, I will just go through my monthly goals and to-dos and how have they been. Currently my January month goals and to-dos have been good. I was able to complete most of it. A few things, especially the exercise part and the morning routine, I was not able to do because somehow I'm not able to get up early, and after I get up it's like a hurry and chaos to pack all the boxes for kids and run to school. Next, coming to the monthly calendar, I think it was done well. Habit tracker, eat healthy was quite okay. That is eating 1 fruit per day. Exercise I have not done at all, not even a day, which I thought only breathing exercises, but even that I've not done. Self-care, yes, to some extent I've done. Few days I've missed, but quite okay. Mood tracker is okay, but I just need to change something here. I have done everything in my red pen, whether it's a good day, a bad day or a okay day. So I think next time, it's difficult to find out how good your day has been. So I think next time I'm going to change it into different colors. Maybe the emojis can be same, but I will use different colors to track this mood tracker. What I love to do is crochet. So the first few days I didn't do anything. I know crochet. I had bought this wool. I had ordered it. By the time I ordered it was quite late, so I bought this and I completed this cap for my daughter. I actually started it for my baby, but as it went further it's become big and it actually fits my elder daughter. So probably I will do another one for my baby. So this one has come quite well and I was impressed because this is the first time I'm using this wool. Earlier that there was a different yarn, those thin yarns, but this time this is very soft and very nice. Let me know. I'll put in case you want it, you can check the link in the description box. I'll put the link to this yarn. The next few days I had to just go through on how to do things and all that, and I have done and completed one project. So I'm very happy with this part of what I have done. I think because of this track what I love to do, because of this I was able to do it and complete it. So after this, now we'll quickly write a review for the month of January. I generally write my happy moments then and there, but this time somehow I was not able to write, and this part I have kept it extra for those of you who want to jot down something for the month or write something else, you want to track down something. So I've given this space extra and a review for the month of Jan. So let's get started. So with this I have written a short review as well as happy moments. Let me know what would you like to use this part as. Currently I'm not using it for anything. Probably by next month I would use it for something. Now I think last month when I was setting up my planner, I had left around 2 pages. That's just before the start of month of Jan, there was this one page after the books challenge. There were 2 pages blank. So currently I have started using it for my manifestation. So I've been writing my manifestations in these 2 pages. So whenever I feel like I need to manifest something, then I write down in this instead of writing in papers. For those of you who don't know what is manifestation, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can just check it out. So with this, we are done with the happy moments of January as well as the review for the month of January. Now, if you want any of these things that I'm using here, I will put all the links in the description box below, whether it's my pens or whatever I'm using for this video, as well as you'll find the link of this planner as well in the description box. So make sure to check it out in case you are interested. Now coming to the month of February, what we do is, first thing is, after we start, we have a quote here for the month. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Yes. In case you feel you have not done well in January, in case you think you have not done enough in January, it's not the end. You still have days, you still have so many things to do. So don't feel sad, don't feel bad that you are not able to do something. It happens sometimes. So you just need to look forward and continue to work hard. Now, as usual, this page I will be writing a few quotes that will motivate me for the next coming month. This month is like the month of love, so that's the reason this theme is given. It's a Valentine's Day that's coming up. Valentine's Day need not be just your boyfriend or husband. So those of you who are not married, it's a month of love. It's like, you know, it can be with your friends, it can be with your parents, it could be with your siblings. So make sure to share that love with your family also. With this, we are done with the motivational quotes. Now the goals and the to-dos for the month of February. So with this, I'm done with the monthly quotes as well as the goals and the to-dos for this month. So I have just written around 3 monthly quotes. Again, these monthly quotes are related to my goals that I have set for this month. So with that, I have written my goals and the to-dos. The next thing is we go to the February monthly calendar. So with this we are done with the monthly calendar for February. Now here I have followed a few steps. That is what I follow every month. I just keep every month some steps to be followed. Like I write down the birthdays, anniversaries, appointments, meetings, bills. So I follow a few steps and then jot down my calendar. So with this, my calendar is done for the month. Now every week I will look at this calendar and jot down on my daily basis. So this way my calendar is, I know how much time I have and what are the days I'm free. So that's the reason I write this calendar. So with this calendar we are done mostly with the things. The next one is the habit tracker, mood tracker, and track what I love to do. The first one is the habit tracker. So here after the habit tracker I have the mood tracker. So this time I'm planning to make something like red, blue and black, the pens that I have always. So I will probably happy and okay day and not so okay day will be in different colored pens, so that way I know how my mood tracker looks like. And track what I love to do is again from the place where we wrote the 12 things I love to do. Now for the second month I had written learn art as in I want to learn something with respect to drawing, painting. I'm not sure, so once I figure out what I want to learn, then I'll probably jot that down here. I will write it here and I will track that. After this, after the habit tracker starts from the daily to-do task. So here we come to an end for this, and at the end we have the happy moments and the review. So happy moments, as and when there are happy moments for the month, we write it down here, and review just before starting the month of March, we write the review here. So with this we are done with planning for the month of February. So what we did was we reviewed our month of January. So wrote down a few happy moments which I didn't remember to write previously, but I did write down whatever I remembered. I completed a review. I wrote a short para for the month of January review. Next, going on to February, wrote a few quotes to motivate me to complete my goals and my to-dos. I've written down the goals and the to-dos, and then calendar according to the list that I have. Then we have the habit tracker and track what I love to do. Now with this we come to an end of this video. So if you do like my video, please hit on that thumbs up icon, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again super soon in the next video. Thank you again. Bye bye guys.